Get ready to be amazed by these jaw-dropping facts about the United States military. You won't believe these incredible truths about America's military history. From secret missions to mind-blowing technology, here are 20 surprising facts about the USA military. Fact number 1. Oldest military force. The United States Army is the oldest branch of the U.S. military. Established in 1775 before the Declaration of Independence was signed. Fact number 2. Largest Air Force. The U.S. Air Force is the largest air force in the world. Interestingly, the second largest air force belongs to the U.S. Navy. Fact number 3. Budget powerhouse. The U.S. military budget is the largest in the world, surpassing the next 10 countries combined. Fact number 4. Nuclear arsenal. The U.S. possesses one of the largest nuclear arsenals, with approximately 5,500 nuclear warheads. Fact number 5. Operation Iceworm. During the Cold War, the U.S. built a secret nuclear missile base under Greenland's ice known as Project Iceworm. Fact number 6. Stealth technology. The U.S. developed stealth technology in the 1980s, revolutionizing air combat by making planes like the B-2 Spirit almost invisible to radar. Fact number 7. Young recruits. The youngest military service member in U.S. history was Calvin Graham, who enlisted at age 12 during World War II. Fact number 8. Civil War casualties. The American Civil War remains the deadliest conflict in U.S. history, with over 620,000 soldiers losing their lives. Fact number 9. First U.S. Medal of Honor. The first Medal of Honor, the highest U.S. military award, was awarded during the Civil War in 1863 to Private Jacob Parrott. Fact number 10. Women in combat. The first official female soldiers were allowed to serve in combat roles only recently, starting in 2013. Fact number 11. Largest naval fleet. The U.S. Navy has the largest and most powerful naval fleet in the world, including 11 aircraft carriers. Fact number 12. Space Force. In 2019, the U.S. established the Space Force, becoming the first nation to create an independent military branch dedicated to space operations. Fact number 13. Code Talkers. Navajo Code Talkers created an unbreakable code during World War II, which was never deciphered by enemy forces. Fact number 14. Operation Desert Storm. The Gulf War in 1991 saw the first widespread use of GPS by the military, transforming modern warfare. Fact number 15. Iron Man suit. The U.S. military is developing a real-life Iron Man suit, known as Talos, to enhance soldier capabilities on the battlefield. Fact number 16. Submarine fleet. The U.S. Navy operates the largest fleet of nuclear-powered submarines in the world. Fact number 17. Meal variety. Military meals ready to eat come in a variety of flavors, including pizza, to keep soldiers' morale high. Fact number 18. Revolutionary technology. The military invented the internet. ARPANET, the precursor to the modern internet, was developed by the Department of Defense. Fact number 19. Advanced medical care. The U.S. military has pioneered many medical advancements, including trauma care techniques now used in civilian hospitals. Fact number 20. Veterans Land. After World War II, veterans were given access to low-interest home loans and educational benefits through the GI Bill, transforming American society.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found these military facts as surprising and fascinating as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.